Hello and welcome to another useful video. Today's a super exciting day because we have the LEMFO LEM9 in the studio. And there's something special about this one, and there you go, you can see it. I attempted to get the blue color and I did. Now you'll notice two main things from the smartwatch that are really cool. First of all, it has a 1.39-inch AMOLED screen. And that's usually larger than the 1.2 or 1.29 inch screens that you might see in other smartwatches. And another thing is that 5 megapixel camera right there. The idea is you can use that camera to make video calls with this watch. So let's take it out of the package and see what it's all about here. Okay, looks pretty good so far. As you can see, it is a LTE 4G watch. Now this watch sports 1 gig of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage, a 4G LTE connection, Bluetooth 4.0, Android 7.1.1, and it's IP67 certified. And as you can see, the main point here is that the camera is no longer there, but it's there. And in place of the camera, looks like they've put the microphone there. On the bottom, it's got the charging pins, the heart rate monitor, and then the SIM cover slot right there. First impressions are that the watch is built pretty nicely, and this blue color is definitely really slick. This is where the speaker comes out of. One thing I will notice is that the bands are nice. They're pretty flexible, but they're not as flexible as something that you might see in like a Cospet Optimus Pro. So this is just our quick look of the watch itself. Let's look what else is in the package. Okay, so you get your USB cord, your charging base. So essentially, this would go on the bottom of there, like that. Very nice. You get a screwdriver and some extra screws for the SIM card slot. You've got your user's manual. And you've got some other information there. Operating guide. So pretty great stuff here. I'm really excited to test out this watch. Now it doesn't have like any specs that will blow your mind, but I think a really nice feature is this camera here, the larger screen, the blue bezel, and it's got that dual mode setup where you can put it in the battery standby mode, and supposedly you'll get up to 5 days of battery life that way. It does limit what you can do with the Android operating system, but hey, if you just need a watch for 5 days without having access to a charger, it might be a really good thing for you to use that setup and see how long the battery life actually is. The buttons have a nice feel to them. One of them is blue, one of them is black. You can kind of hear how it clicks. So far, so good. So again, I'm really excited to test out this watch. A full review is coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button and have a wonderful day.